It is very rigorous, but I am enjoying it and I'm really happy I'm engaged in this journey, and it's absolutely worth it because you just get so much out of it. I'm originally from Germany. I used to work as an architect and then I became a mom, right? And my daughter was born with a physical disability and my world completely changed because I realized how we really are not in a place yet where people with disabilities are part of this world. Everyone can do something because every smile we can put on somebody's face, everything we can change, it makes an impact. The topics are really interesting. When I started here, I was able to immediately use what I was learning. There's so much good information, and to really dive into those readings, they really help you to make connections and really gain a great understanding. People who cannot afford to go back to college, you can do that with a fellowship because the fellowship will take care of the cost of the studies, but you also have the benefit of working and gaining more experience and broadening your network. But now students can be there from anywhere, so it makes it possible for people who have busy lives, who have things going on and cannot otherwise attend. I enjoy it more than an in-person class because I feel like I even get to talk more. I feel like you're more focused and the classes are not too big. Everybody gets to engage, everybody gets to speak, and you really get to engage and learn from each other. I think this was really a good push for me to continue and to see the possibilities.